Hello everyone and welcome back. I'm just gonna do a quick video of the garden that I have at the other property for the summer of 2022. Right now it's July 30th, so the garden's not growing as fast as I was hoping, but anyways, where I have the straw here, I had planted some potatoes, but it's probably hard to see them because I've got to pull out the grass that's there. The first row of tomatoes I have here, I've got to stake some of them because they're kind of leaning over, but those are, where are they? They're Black Beauty tomatoes. The second row of tomatoes I have, they're Syrian tomatoes. The third row over here, that's those are Lebanese tomatoes. Then I've got white Tomassol tomatoes, the last row. Over here, you can see that there's sort of like two fencings. The first fencing is Market Moore 76 cucumbers. Then the second fencing is Armenian cucumbers. I have some elephant, what's it called? Elephant garlic. Motorcycle people. Yeah, I've got elephant garlic, which I had pulled out a few of them about a week or two ago. It looks like it's just getting around, but I'll make another video of it soon. I've got some squash growing on the side here, but I forget which one's which, and they're still kind of small. I doubt they'll do anything again for this fall. So I'm just gonna pull out the garlic later on today, and I'll try to make another video soon of what I pulled out from here. And I had already pulled out the music garlic that I have at home. I'll make a video showing both. The music garlic, they turned out small again, and I had to mulch them, but yeah, I'm not sure if it's because it's not in a sunny location or what's happening. So anyways, thanks again for watching, and I hope to talk to you guys soon. Have a good day. Bye bye.